aprangsi bertanggung arjitha.
District Press Club of Karbi Anglong along KAPRPC Atumpen Perangke Amai Kangni. Nomor 4 Rongkhang MAC Constituency Arlo Satgang Committee Hall along Rongkhang BJP Mondol Committee Atum Patir PC Bharat Adang P along BJP Asong Kapangtang Lapen Kapangdang Kon Tujiapan Pini BJP Membership Drive Amai Kangni. Inkoida Trop Kasa Intersub Association Football Championship Angdung Kiti Kapatu.
Puthat bertang tonben sebajar midang senang. District Press Club of Karbi Anglong Asai Hem along Song Kimi Karbi Anglong People Right Protection Asong Mahang Pathekon.
Bangso asong may pumolen teron lapen kongchun bang Bristom terang atum pensi bangso asong Parjapon Karbi Anglong People's Right Protection Committee asong ke Siksedo aron lapen Karbi Anglong along le phelam cerai kom konji lapen hempre ka farman kachesong along sirap chetu tunji pusi kemang pon pusi pini pherangke amay along may pumolen teron pen ningje Karbi Anglong People's Right Protection Committee asong along klembang phubang kikebrap klipensi song mahang kapathek ponsi Karbi Anglong angkang setam me arorim kapar Japon jia phanta chisik cedang bom lobuta kongchun bang Bristom terang pen ning Japon.
Our committee name will be KAPRPC, Karbi Anglong People's Right Protection Committee. The organization initially formed by 44 members with an aim to protect and promote every rights of the indigenous people of Karbi Anglong with respect to the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India. The organization President Mr. Molan Teron and General Secretary Mr. Bristom Terang is strongly committed to work on it. The KAPRPC was formed with its highest objective on the following issues. 1. To struggle for a complete autonomy for the people of Karbi Anglong under the principle and provision of the 6th Schedule of the Indian Constitution.
BJP membership drive amai along MP Horen Singh be alohi sarpo aman pen chetong dunsi lapen boithalangso MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi West Karbi Anglong BJP District Committee President Arun Terang Pradip Ronghang Pendanglok Penang an kitheki dingatum chetong dun.
Membership drive along the Semet PS Inkoida Troxy BJP Klembang Phubang Phiatum Chetong Dun Si Mai along RDP Dun Lapen Rongkhang MAC Constituency Angkang along BJP membership Bang Faruk Repli Papleng Pon Unji Pusi MP Horen Singh Be Pen Rat Angnu Jai Tekang Baithalang Sopen Rajen Ronghang Lapen Dongka Pen Promes Terang Atum Birtapang Dakon News 24 Karbi Anglong.
Itum Bharat Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi lapen Home Minister Union Home Minister Amit Shah alang itum kamathat tendensi lapen dak Assam along dialog Rondida lapen West Karbi Anglong Orun Terang alang itum kamathat bende Bharatiya Janata Party a membership drive CP ni Thainong Rongkhang along tang cek konson lo kasinon ke bang ni bang ke dak Thainong Rongkhang along ko anma bang sugedo anutin ta BJP member manpen jete Bharat adet an suse jakong pat keji pan lapen Karbi Longri an suse jakong pat keji pan ohomadet an suse jakong pat keji pan si nitum tim bangsa program kedeng
Karitang ke hai timung lapen karitang kari kopi cluster wise bini cluster isi Karbi Langpi kapatu along Angdung Kiti football kapatu kacepate pon.
Angdung Kiti amai along BJP West Karbi Anglong District Maipu Arun Terang aluhi sarpo aman pen chetong dun anparta baithalang so Municipal Board Chairman Chandra Ronghang Hon Singh Teron Engineer KLHEP Dilip Senar Habe lapen penang an kethegi ding atum chetong dun Cluster EC Angdung Kiti along Karbi Langpi Sport Association Pen Hoksong Sport Association Angbong Cepate Ponsi Langpi Sport Association Atum 84 Pen Hoksong Sport Association Aphan Parem Ponsi Langpi Sport Association Atum Inkoira Trok Kasa Intersub Association Kacepate Pon along Cepale Dunlong Po Pusi Kasa Rap Chunbang Sonjoy Krupen Pachini Baithalang Sopen Birtapang Dakpon Rajan Ronghang News 24 Karbi Anglong.
এনেকা ইণ্টেৰিয়ৰ জাগা যে আপোনালোকে ভালদৰে প্ৰদৰ্শন দেখাব ইয়াতকৈ আকৌ বেছিকৈ আপোনালোকে যাতে যেন খেলুৱৈসকলে আগবাঢ়ি যাব পাৰে সেইটো মোৰ আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত অনুৰোধ আজি খেলটো যে সমাপ্ত সেইবুলি আপোনালোকে নাভাবিব অহাকালিলৈ বা আহিবলগীয়া যিকেইটা আপোনালোকে কাৰ্বি আংলঙত বেলেগ বেলেগ জেগাৰ পৰা আহা প্লেয়াৰবিলাকৰ লগত আপোনালোকে প্ৰতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা নামিব নালাগে আৰু হাৰ মানিব নালাগে
Pinya Birda lan sekang ton iklo tumit hamid kardong.